This is homework help number 20. Let's get started. For this first problem, this is multiplying decimals. So the thing that we need to remember here is that the flat no longer represents 100, it represents one whole. The rod does not represent 10, it represents 1/10. And the unit cube represents 1/100th. Okay, so these are the ones where we do like one way we color yellow and one way we color blue, and where the colors cross is where our answer lies. So I can see here that there is 1/10, okay, and I can see here is 4/10, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and where the colors cross are answers. And this one is 4/100ths because it's 4 little unit cubes, okay? So let's look at the next one. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4/10ths times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10ths. Okay, so I want you to take a look right here where those colors cross. That's our answer. Okay, and remember, 1 cube is 1/100th. So determine the answer from there. If you want me to check it, let me know. Okay, on the next one, you are probably going to need some extra scratch paper or use the extra workspace on the back for this, because I need you lining all of these up by their decimal like this and putting in your phantoms so I can see these are equal. Okay. Same thing with the next one, 29/100ths compared to 3/10ths. When I put in my phantom, I can see 30 is greater than 29. Okay. For the next one, 51 and 70/100ths compared to 51 and 8/10ths. When I put in my phantom, I can see 80 is greater than 70. Okay, continue this process for all of these. If you need me to check the ones I did not do, let me know. Look at the next one. Nathan made 3 dozen. 3 dozen. How much is in a dozen? 12, right? 3 dozen. Twelve equals a dozen. He discarded, he got rid of 4 of the muffins and divided the rest into 8 equal groups. Which equation can be used to find G, the number of muffins in each group? Okay, so I know that 3 dozens, right? 1 dozen has 12, and I'm going to do that 3 times. Okay, so I'm going to start with that. And then he discarded, he got rid of 4 of them. So we can see that all of these answer options have that, right? Then look what it says. He divided the rest into 8 equal groups. Well, that's pretty easy. Look here. Divided into 8 equal groups. Next, Heather and Allison weigh 123 pounds together. If Heather weighs 61 and 25/100ths pounds, how much does Allison weigh? This is a simple subtraction problem. We're going to do 123 minus, okay, here's where a bunch of us mess up. Remember, there's a phantom decimal floating behind every single whole number. We have to line these numbers up by the whole number. Look at that. Okay, put in your phantoms. Let's regroup. This becomes 10, this becomes 9, so this has to become a 2 because I borrowed from it. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Bring down your decimal. 2 minus 1, 1. Can I take 6 things from 2 things? Nope, we got to regroup again. This becomes 12. This becomes 0. 12 minus 6, 6. So let's go over here and find our answer. I see it there. Okay. Next, find the values for y in the table, then graph the ordered pairs. All you're doing here is applying the rule. Okay, the rule is x plus half. So look what it has, 2 plus 1/2. What did we say if I have a lonely whole number, okay, and a lonely fraction? What do we do when we want to add them? We just squish them together. So this is going to be 2.5. Okay, what about 4 plus 1/2? Squish them together, 4.5. What about 6? 6 plus 1/2. What do? Squish them together. Okay, now let's plot these. We're going to start at our origin, which is 0, 0. We're going to go over to 2, up to 2.5, so it's going to have to float out in the middle there. Okay, next go over 4, up to 4.5. And then over 6, up to 6.5. And then remember, we need to draw our arrow through it. That's supposed to be an arrow, okay? That tells us that the pattern will continue on forever. Next, Mr. Lane made half a gallon of iced tea. He will pour all the tea into 3 empty glasses. If he pours an equal amount in each glass, how many gallons of tea will be in the first glass? Well, it tells you there each glass is going to have the same amount, so the first one's going to have the same amount as the third one. He has half a gallon of tea that he's going to split among 3 empty glasses. Okay, we're going to make our whole number look like a fraction. We're going to label. Then we're going to do it. Keep it, change it, flip it over for the reciprocal. Multiply straight across for an answer of 1/6. Okay? And Thursday, here we go. Almost done. All right, Miss Flores placed 5 empty glasses on a breakfast table. She poured 3/4 cup of juice into each cup. How much juice did she pour all together? Okay, we're multiplying here. I have 5 cups, and each cup is going to get 3/4. So this cup, and this cup, and these 2 also. We're going to put 3/4 of a cup of juice in each one. That's how I know we're multiplying. I'm doing repeated addition, doing 3/4 5 times. I'm going to make my whole number look like a fraction. We're going to multiply straight across to get 15/4. This is an improper fraction. I don't know why I have backtracked and we're struggling with that. I really want you to come back over here and show me that you know which of these answers is the same as 15/4. If you would like me to check it, show me in class. Okay, that's the dismissal bell, so let me quickly show you this last one. The dot plot shows the amount of water that 26 runners consumed during a marathon. Each dot represents 1 runner. In liters, what is the difference between the greatest amount of water and the least amount of water? So you're just going to do 1/4 minus 7/10. Let me know if you need me to check your answer on that. Bye.